Hi, my name is Destiny Alfonso, and I'm the girl behind Just Destiny Mag, a lifestyle blog here in Phoenix. If you're in the market for new carpet, you are going to love the Boxton pattern carpet from Lifeproof. These floors are gorgeous, you guys. Not only are they soft to touch, but they're soft on your feet, and you really feel like you're walking on a cloud. Boxton pattern carpet from Lifeproof is available in 12 fresh and fashion-forward colors you're going to love. From bright whites to deeper shades of browns and grays, these colors will fit your modern, traditional, or even eclectic style of your home. Boxton pattern carpet is made from 100% continuous filament nylon, constructed and provides great resistance to wear, fade, and shedding. It also has an R2X stain and soil resistance system. Each carpet installation comes with a Lifeproof warranty, which includes a lifetime pet stain warranty, limited life stain and soil warranty. For maintenance, vacuum and spot clean on the regular, and professionally cleaned yearly. Boxton pattern carpet is sold by the square foot soft back backing for easy installation. 7/16" thick carpet pad is recommended to use with this carpet. For high-performing carpet, gorgeous color, pattern, texture, and plushness, check out Lifeproof Boxton pattern carpet, available at the Home Depot.